Time for an update on the CSL. We've managed to get all the mechanical running gear out of the car, and it's getting towards a point that we're getting to disassemble all the interior. I thought you guys would like to have a look at where we're at with it. Well, it's on the trolley, ready to go. Got all the rear end out. It's getting to a point now where once we get the full disassembly of the interior, we'll get all the alloy trims off, get the rest of the mouldings off, and they'll be ready to go out for soda blasting. And what we're trying to achieve is it's going to get to the point where it's going to look like this one. So this is one we've already done before. As you can see, all the suspensions all been replaced. It's all been powder coated, plated. All the bearings, bushes and seals have been replaced. All the hydroblasting of the gearbox was all pulled apart. All the engines been rebuilt, and it's just in the process of being reassembled now. So that's what the blue car will look like once it's been completed.